Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to install Firefox on Windows 11. And I will show you this as quick as possible. Alright, we are using Google right now and we want Firefox, so what we need to do is click here and search for Firefox installer. Then from here we go to download Mozilla Firefox and then we click here on download now. Right now he's downloading the installer, so now we click on the installer and right now we can click on yes. Then from here I already installed it sometime, so right now I have a reinstall option, so I click on that. Otherwise you just need to click on install and then he will do exactly the same that he is doing right now for me. Alright, the download is finished right now and now we will receive this setup right here. So what we now need to do is click on skip this step, and start browsing. And right now we can start browsing on Firefox, and this is exactly how you can download Firefox on Windows 11. Alright, if this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.